Hi children. Yes, today I am taking social science class for 5th standard students. Major land forums. Topic is major land forums. Lesson number 3. Lesson number 3, major land forums. Okay. Some difficult words are there: land forums, mountains, plateaus, plains, desert, river. In this chapter, let us learn about the mountains, plateaus, plains and deserts and rivers. Okay, let us see the lesson, children. See the book. See. Yes, lesson number 3, major land forms. In this chapter, we'll learn about the mountains, plateaus, plains, deserts and rivers. Okay. The Earth is the only planet in solar system that supports life. The Earth is a, do you know? The Earth is a only planet in the solar system that supports life. Life. Where do you live, children? ವೇರ್ ಡು ಯು ಲಿವ್? ನೀವೆಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? Yes, we live on the earth. Earth is a planet where we live. It is the only one planet in the solar system which supports the life. It is made up of land masses and water bodies. It is made up of a land masses and also water bodies. About 29% of the earth's surface is a land. About 29% of the earth surface is land. ಎಷ್ಟು 100ಅಲ್ಲಿ 29% ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಭೂಮಿ ಇದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ 71% ಆಫ್ ದ ಈಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ವಾಟರ್. 71% ಈಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ವಾಟರ್. 71% ನೀರಿನಿಂದ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ದ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅರ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ uniform and always changing. The surface of the earth is not uniform, it is always changing. Some parts are flat while some are raised. Some parts are flat. ಫ್ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ some parts ರೈಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎತ್ತರವಾಗಿದೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಫ್ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎ ರಿಲೀಫ್. ಈ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ರಿಲೀಫ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದ ಮೇನ್ ರಿಲೀಫ್ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಅರ್ತ್ include mountains, plateaus, plains, desert and rivers. The relief features of the earth are mountains, plateaus, plains, deserts and rivers. Let us first come to the mountains. The mountains are the elevated part of the earth's surface. The mountains are the elevated parts of the earth's surface. They are about 900 meters higher than the surrounding areas. ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎಲಿವೇಟೆಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅರ್ತ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್. ಅರ್ತ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸಿಂದ ಎತ್ತರವಾಗಿ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ. ದೇವರ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ 900 meters higher than the surrounding areas. The mountains have steep slopes, sharp ridges and peaks. ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೀಪ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಳಿಜಾರಿದೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಪೀಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. They are highest landforms on the surface of the earth. They are the highest landforms of the surface of the earth. They cover more than 20% of the total land area of the earth. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ಸು? 100ಅಲ್ಲಿ 20% ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಏರಿಯಾನ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಟ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೈಟ್ all mountains look alike. At the first sight look, all the mountains look alike. ಸೇಮ್ ಥರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ವೇಸ್. For looking it looks like a same, but it has they are formed in a different ways. They differ in height and shape. They also differ in the height and shape. They have a very steep slopes. Their peaks are conical or rounded. The peaks are conical or rounded. All these variations depend upon the age of the mountains. All these variations depends upon the age of the mountains. The young mountain, like the Himalayas, are high and have sharp conical peaks. The young mountains are like the Himalayas are high and have a sharp conical peaks. The old mountains like the Ar valleys are low and have rounded peaks. When the number of mountains join together, they form the ranges of mountains. Where the number of mountains join together, they form the range or ranges of mountains or mountain ranges. The important mountain ranges are the Himalayas in Asia, the Andes in South America, and the Rockies in the North America. When the number of mountains joins together, they form what? They form a long range of mountains or mountain ranges. The important mountain ranges are the Himalayas in Asia, the Andes in South America, and the Rockies in the North America. Mountains often have a series of parallel ranges. Mountains often have the series of parallel ranges which may extend from hundreds of kilometers. The climate in the mountains is cooler than that in the plains. Climate in the mountains is cooler than the plains. Peaks of some mountains remain under ice and snow throughout the year. Peaks of some mountain remains under the ice or snow throughout the years. Crops cannot grow easily on mountain slopes. Crops cannot ಯಾವ ಬೆಳೆ ಕೂಡ ಬೆಳೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ thin soil covers because they have the thin soil cover. These regions are also thinly populated because of an unsuitable climate, shortage of flat land and lack of ರೋಡ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಣ್ಣು ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀರಿಂದ ಹರಿದೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಬೆಳೆ ಕೂಡ ಬೆಳೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಬೆಳೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬೆಳೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಯ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟು ಜೀವಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಸೂಟಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಥಿನ್ಲಿ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಸಂಖ್ಯೆನೂ ಕೂಡ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ. ಶಾರ್ಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ roads. Even so, the mountains are important in many ways. Health and tourist resorts have developed in the mountains because of cool and healthy climate. Health and tourist resorts are developed in the mountains. They are built in the mountains because of the cool and healthy climates. Rivers originating from mountains provide water for irrigation and for the other needs of the people living near them. Rivers originating from the mountains only, providing water for irrigation and other needs of the people living near them. The mountains act as barriers and do not permit the hot or cold winds to enter their area. Mountains will act as the barriers. They do not permit the hot or cold winds to enter their areas because mountain will protect from this. Mountains and rocks are widely used as building materials. Mountain rocks are widely used for building the materials. The slopes of the mountains have thick forest and rich grassland. The slopes of the mountains will have the thick forest and also rich grasslands. Some mountains have rich deposits of minerals also. Next, come to the plateaus. A highland with a flat top is called a plateau. It is also called a tableland. A highland with a flat top is called a plateau. It is also called a tableland. A plateau rises abruptly from the surrounding areas. So it is side have steep slopes. The plateaus is abruptly from the surrounding areas, so its sides are steep slopes. See the picture, can you see your edges are slope. It is in the top of the Can you see, children? Yes. The surface of the plateau often cut by rivers and streams. Plateaus are generally found near the mountains. Plateaus are generally found near the mountains or surrounded by the mountains. Most of the plateaus are very large and extend over hundreds of kilometers. They are very large, and also most of the plateaus are very large, and also they extend over the hundreds of kilometers. The height of the plateau is about 500 meters. The height of the plateau will be 500 meters. Plateaus are found in every continent and cover about 1/3 of the earth's surface. Plateaus are found in every continent and cover about 1/3 of the earth's surface. The Deccan Plateau of the India is vast in size, and the plateau of Tibet is surrounded by mountains on all sides. The Deccan Plateau of India is very vast in size. ಅತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸೈಜಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಟಿಬೆಟ್ ಅದು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸರೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ಸ್ all sides. Some plateaus have deep canyons such as Grand Canyon in the Colorado Plateau in USA. Yes, there is a Grand Canyon in the USA. Owing to high altitude, they have a cool climate, and the growing season is short. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಕೂಲಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟು, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೆಳೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ. The plateaus are very important and useful for us. Plateaus also is very important and also useful for us. Some plateaus have rich grasslands widely used for rearing cattle and sheep. Some plats are very rich in grasslands widely used for the rearing cattle and sheep. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ಲಾಟೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ರಿಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಹುಲ್ಲುಗಾವಲಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಲ್ಲು ಬೆಳೀತೆ ತುಂಬ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಅದು ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಟಲ್ಸ್ ದನಗಳು ಸಾಕಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಕುರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಸಾಕಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಟೂರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. ಹಾಗೆ ಇದು ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಟೂರಿಸ್ಟ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಸಮ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಚ್ ಇನ್ ಮಿನರಲ್ಸ್. ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಚ್ ಇನ್ ಮಿನರಲ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಐರನ್, ಕಾಪರ್, ಸಿಲ್ವರ್, ಗೋಲ್ಡ್, mica and precious stones. The waterfalls help us to produce hydroelectricity, and also waterfalls help us to produce hydroelectricities. Plateaus in tropical areas are good for growing crops. ಟ್ರಾಪಿಕಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾಸಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಯೂಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಬೆಳೆಗಳನ್ನ ಬೆಳೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಇದೆ. Okay children, I'll finish the lesson till here. Tomorrow I'll continue the lesson. Okay, some questions are there. No, okay, some difficult words are there, write them 5 times. Okay children, thank you.